Hi, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a perfect selection of this kind of image from the background, and also to get rid of that slight feathering you get occasionally when you use the selection tools. So let's just demonstrate. So I want to remove this item from this white background. You can see it's all on the same layer here, so it doesn't matter if this is on a different color background. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go down to the bottom here in this icon and just choose solid color. So I'm just going to show you how you get the fringing. So click OK, and I'm just going to switch that layer off. Now the next thing I'm going to do is select this lower layer, and I'm going to go up to my magic wand tool. Now the reason I don't go to select subject is because I've tried this a number of times, and this is by far the cleanest way to do it. So I'm just going to select this item here, holding down my shift key, and just going along each item to select the various elements. Now, once we've got everything selected, I'm just going to put this on a new layer. So I'm just going to go to Edit, Copy. Then I'm going to go over to my Layers panel, go down and add a new layer. Then Edit and simply press Paste. Now, nothing seems to have happened, but if you can see here, I've got a new copy of my item on a transparent background. So let's switch off the background. So you can see I've now got that on a transparent background. But if I switch this darker layer on here, as you can see, we've got this fringing that goes around the outside. Now, the way in which we can get rid of that fringing, which can be quite annoying, is to select this layer here and do exactly what we did before. Go to the magic wand tool, click on the elements, holding down that shift key to continually select multiples. So all I'm going to select is the grey, because that's the only parts which have this fringing. Now, if we just zoom in, we can see this banding here. And what we need to do is expand this selection. So we're going to go to Select, go down to Modify, and then along to Expand. Now you can expand this from as many or as little pixels as you want. Obviously you've got to cover that fringing. So generally it takes about 1 to 2 pixels. Then once you've selected your pixels, you just click OK. And as you can see, my selection has been expanded. And now all we simply need to do is to go to Edit, go down to Fill, go to Contents, click on the drop down, select Color, and then you just select the color that you want to fill in. So we want this grey color here, so select it, click OK, and then select OK. Now when we zoom in, that fringing is gone, and if I just deselect by Command or Control D, you can see now all of that white fringing has vanished, and you have a really clean selection. So if I change the color of this background here, double click on this one, and then I can change the color of this background and show you that I have a nice clean background without any fringing at all. If you now want to export this as a PNG, then make sure you turn off the background layers, go to File, go to Save as Copy, name it whatever you want, and then just make sure the format is PNG, and then simply click Save. Then you can choose from your PNG options and then click OK. And now if we go to File, Open, and you can see that file at the top here, just click on it and click Open. And now we're in a completely separate document. If I go and use my Move tool, you can see I can now move this round completely independently and place it into whatever document I want. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.